in front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the top on the left. Then to create a new one, use this plus. Set up an hour and hit OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you need to customize it. Begin by selecting Add Label at the top, typing in wherever you want to, if you want to, and hitting OK. Now to pick days of the week, tap on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm and pick them. Then hit OK. To remove those dates, tap on Remove button right next to them. Now select this little bell, hit Dismiss or download one of those sound sources, and in order to use one of those music platforms, click on the chosen one at the top and log in. You can also select sounds, tap on Add New, pick any song from your device, hit select at the top right corner and use it as your new alarm sound. If you don't want to do that too, just tap on one of those sounds and go back. Now you can tap on this icon next to Google Assistant routine to add or remove your alarm from it. And last but not least, to hide all of those settings, tap at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created and customized. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it and change wherever you want to. And to delete it, use Delete button at the bottom left corner. Last but not least, to adjust even more alarm options, use those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Settings and adjust them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!